Hello friends, welcome to CAD Maniac. In this tutorial, we will learn how we can download and install Autodesk AutoCAD Electrical 2025. So to install AutoCAD Electrical 2025 version, click on the link provided in the description section below. Then click on Sign In and sign in using your email ID and password. Click on Get Autodesk Software. Then scroll down and click on Get Product under AutoCAD. And then install AutoCAD 2025 version. Video linked in the I button. Now click on your profile and go to Products and Services. Here it is, AutoCAD Electrical 2025. Click on it and then click on Install and accept the terms. And .exe file gets downloaded. Click on it. Click on Next and then click on Install. Once it gets installed, click on Start and you can use AutoCAD Electrical 2025. So that's it for this video guys. Everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Bye-bye.